Hello, children. This is Disha ma'am, and yes, we are going to learn English. Yesterday, what we did, we completed chapter number 8, that is adventure, right? And today, we will start with chapter number 9, that is myths and legends. चैप्टर में क्या था? तो चैप्टर वॉज अ स्टोरी ऑफ अ greedy king named as King Midas, and he loved his gold the most. And once, when he was counting his gold coins, he found that there was a man named Silanus, who was a friend of a Greek god whose name was Dionysus, right? And he being a selfish king, he thought that अगर मैं सलानस की सेवा करूँगा तो obviously जो god है वो मुझ पे खुश हो जाएंगे and he will reward me. So to fulfill that urge or that desire of king, he took good care of Silanus, and he took him to his palace, and for 10 long days he was treated well, he was treated good. And then he went to the god of feast, who was Dionysus, and Dionysus told that I will grant you one wish, you tell me कि आपको कौन सी ख्वाहिश है, आपकी कौन सी wish है. So then King Midas told that give me that kind of blessings that whatever I touch becomes gold. Yes, it becomes gold, yellow gold. God granted his wish, but then उन्होंने ये चेतावनी भी दी कि जो आप मांग रहे हो, this is not correct. But the king did not listen to it. So while going back to his palace, to make sure that his wish is granted, he started touching things. तो पैलेस के गार्डन में जो फ्लावर्स थे, जो ट्रीज थे, King Midas touched all that things, and it all became of gold. Then he went inside his palace. He touched almost everything which he saw in the palace, and every single thing became gold. Then after this long and tiring day, he was hungry. तो उन्होंने क्या किया? He ordered for some food. उनके लिए खाना ले आया गया टेबल पे. As soon as he started eating his food, the first thing which he touched became of gold. तो पूरी थाली है वो गोल्ड की हो गई. फिर उसको लगा कि चलो पानी पी लेता हूँ कम से कम. जैसे ही पानी का ग्लास छुआ, it also became made of gold. So he was not able to drink nor eat anything, right? So he was already depressed. By that time, दोपहर तक, by the day was over, his little girl, his little princess came running to her, and she was sad because उसके बगीचे के जो सारे flowers थे वो येलो कलर के बिना स्मेल के हो गए. They were smell odorless, and they were all yellow. So she was not in a good mood. She was sad and she cried when she came to her father. जैसे हम भी अपने पापा के पास जाते, कुछ हमारी चीज़ में कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता है तो we cry a lot, right? The same way this princess also thought that कि पापा के पास solution होगा, तो she ran to her father to console her when this king was consoling her. उनको आश्वासन दे रहे थे. And he tried to hug her, he tried to touch her on the shoulder. As soon as he touched the girl, she also became a golden statue. And in the same way, king's wife, the queen, also became a golden statue. Now the day passed and the king was so unhappy. बावजूद उसके कि उसके पास इतना सारा गोल्ड था, he was unhappy because his family was not with him. He was not able to eat anything. He was not able to drink anything. So he went running back to the god and he requested कि आप मेरा ये जो boon है वो वापस ले लो, आप मेरा जो ये आशीर्वाद है वो आप मुझे वापस ले लो मेरे से. So the God told that I told you, I gave you warning that this is not something good. Clear? And the king understood the meaning of the importance of family, the importance of family, the importance of friends, importance of things of mother nature that she has given to us, right? और किंग को भगवान ने बोला दैट आप ये जो वहाँ से नदी का पानी था वो आप छिड़को, तो जिस जिस चीज़ को आपने गोल्ड बनाया है, दिस ऑल वुड टर्न इट बैक इन टू देयर रियल टर्म्स. सो at last, after throwing everything, after throwing this water on everything what he touched, he sprinkled this water on his wife and daughter, and they both became normal. At last the king understood the value of his family, of food, of water, and of the environment that is surrounding. Clear? So that was the chapter about King Midas. That is in chapter number 9, Myths and Legends. Right? Chali. Now grab your pencil. Let us start with the revision worksheet. इसके question answer already हमने last week कर दिए हैं, so no need to have that. चलो. Now question number 1. Imagine yourself as a storyteller and tell your favorite story to write it. Try to be entertaining and informative too, right? Your favorite story. Suppose, see, when I was kid, I used to hear fairy tales. I used to love hearing fairy tales. Cinderella was one of my favorite character. I don't know whether you guys know the story of Cinderella or not. Cinderella was a girl who had two step sisters. उसको बहुत परेशान करती थी. उनकी जो step mother थी, she was also very harassing. And one fine night there was a party in the town, and Cinderella, बावजूद उसके कि उसने घर का पूरा काम कर दिया था, so she wanted to go to the party, so she sew a dress for herself. But then at last जो उसकी स्टेप सिस्टर्स थी, उन्होंने ये वो ड्रेस बिगाड़ दिया, एंड द स्टेप मदर डिनाइड टू लेट हर गो, and she was crying in the backyard of her house. At that time, a white fairy came to her, and she had this magic stick or magic wand, and she just revolved it, zoom zap zoom zoom. Or Cinderella was in a beautiful blue dress, a party gown, and फिर सिंड्रेला ने बोला कि मेरे पास तो जूते नहीं है पहनने के, तो उसने ग्लास स्लीपर्स दिए. देन शी टोल्ड कि मैं जाऊँ कैसे, तो उन्होंने एक चैरियट, पम्पकिन जो उनके पास था, वो पम्पकिन का उन्होंने पूरा चैरियट बनाया. आप देखने का यूट्यूब पे बहुत अच्छी स्टोरीज है सिंड्रेला की. सो दैट आई यूज्ड टू, इट वाज लाइक वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट स्टोरी, राइट? सो इन द सेम वे हियर यू हैव टू राइट a story which you feel, which you like very much, a story which you feel that काश ये सही हो जाता, ऐसा. Clear? So try to write a story which is favorite of yours and which is entertaining and informative also. Clear? Chalo. Moving to next, this would be your homework, kids. Moving to the next one. Fill the answers. Adverbs. Now adverbs, we already know adverbs are something that adds to the verb. Clear? Chalo, now grab your pencil and start doing the exercise. Chalo, let me give the help box first. Read the help box for you. Gingerly, typically, anxiously, barely, fluently, really, warily, nearby, sideways and politely. राइट? जिंजरली हम ऑलरेडी पता है, जिंजरली माने एकदम ध्यान से. एडवेंचर्स वाले चैप्टर में जिंजरली का मीनिंग हमने पढ़ा हुआ है, राइट? चलिए, फर्स्ट वन, सैंड्रा डैश वेटेड टू हियर न्यूज़ एज टू वेदर और नॉट शी वॉज एक्सेप्टेड इन टू द साइंस प्रोग्राम. कुछ भी आपका कुछ सही करने के लिए यू वेट फॉर that news, you wait anxiously. The answer here would be anxiously, ANXIOUSLY, anxiously. आप उसको कट करके you can write it anxiously. Second, Nana placed the marzipan groom. Marzipan groom is a kind of what you can say sticker जैसा आता है जो केक के ऊपर रखा जाता है. Marzipan groom dash unto the top tier of the wedding cake. Top tier of the wedding cake is जो 2 माला 3 माला वाला केक आता है ना उसके ऊपर they are known as tiers. So उसके ऊपर she placed this marzipan groom, right? So there she put it very ध्यान से एकदम carefully. So carefully का synonym is gingerly. So you will write second answer is gingerly. First one is anxiously, second one is gingerly. Third one, Patrick and Lan dash want to go to skateboarding at the park. Patrick and Len really want to go to skateboarding at the park. Here you will write really. Next, fourth one. Most of the third graders are reading grade level text verily. Right? मुश्किल से ही वो पढ़ते हैं. So they do it verily. VWEARILY. Verily. Next, the Veterans Day Parade barely begins at 10 a.m. barely नहीं आएगा, वहाँ पे आएगा near by. The Veterans Day Parade nearly begins at 10 a.m. right? Generally वो 10 बजे शुरू होता है, तो nearby begins at 10 a.m. Mrs. Patterson stood dash so she could keep an eye on us. Here I think sixth one should be nearby. Stood nearby so she could keep an eye on us, right? So she wanted to keep an eye on us, so she was standing nearby. So sixth one is nearby, and fifth one जैसे मैंने बोला it would be barely, right? BARELY, barely. चलिए एक बार फिर भी सारे आंसर्स चेक कर ले, उसके बाद फिर विल कम एंड क्रॉस वेरीफाई इट. सेवेंथ वन, द क्लर्क वेरी डैश एक्सप्लेन दैट द आइटम आई वांटेड टू रिटर्न वुड नॉट बी एक्सेप्टेड विदाउट अ रिसिप्ट. उसने ये एक्सप्लेनेशन कैसे दिया? पोलाइटली. यस, कैसे दिया? पोलाइटली, right? Somebody when he or she is speaking nicely, softly, then it is termed as politely. Next, Sam had dash finished his breakfast when the school bus pulled up and he had to run out of the door with his bag. Here you should use barely. Sam had barely finished his breakfast. उसने ख़त्म भी नहीं किया था, right? So here it would be barely, BARELY, barely. Sorry, barely. Ninth one, Cheyenne moved dash through the space between the bed and the wall, tucking in the sheets fluently, right? He went through the space between the bed and the wall, tucking into the sheets. वो easily चला गया उस जगह के बीच में. My grandfather dash rummaged through the boxes in the attic trying to locate his wife's favorite dress. Typically, ये चीज़ उन्होंने कैसे करी? Typically, TYPICALLY, typically. So my grandfather typically rummaged through the boxes in the attic trying to locate his wife's favorite dress. This is end of the sentences. Don't worry, I'll be sending the answer key with this so that if at all you have any doubts, it can be sorted out in the answer sheets, right? चलिए, so these were adverbs. Adverbs generally इसमें problem क्या होता है बच्चे कि अगर आप सही में sentences read नहीं कर रहे, they are almost the same, right? You cannot say that this answer is right or this answer is wrong, right? So that is why there is some kind of relevancy in adverbs. So that is fine, no issues अगर आपको आगे पीछे होते. So don't forget to do the homework. आज का homework is that you have to write a story over here, your favorite story. Clear? And with this I would be sending the answer key for this question number 2, that is adverb. Right? Chaliye, this is all for today. Till we meet next Friday. This is Disha ma'am signing off. Bye bye. Take care.